Today I'm going to show you how to ground a component in Fusion 360 so it stays fixed in your assembly and doesn't accidentally move while you're designing. Grounding components is one of the simplest ways to stabilize an assembly, especially when you're building mechanisms or positioning parts precisely. I'll walk you through the exact steps so you can lock a component in place in seconds. First, open Fusion 360 and load the assembly you want to work on. Grounding only works inside an assembly environment where multiple components exist, so make sure your design already contains the parts you want to position. Next, look to the left side of the screen for the browser panel. The browser lists every component, body, and folder that exists in your design. Scroll through the list until you find the component that you want to fix in place. Once you find it, right-click directly on the component name inside the browser. This will open a context menu with several options that control how the component behaves in the assembly. In that menu, click on the option called Ground to Parent. As soon as you click it, Fusion 360 will lock that component relative to its parent component in the assembly structure. What this means is the component can no longer move, rotate, or be dragged accidentally in the workspace. It becomes a stable reference point for the rest of your design, which is extremely useful when creating joints or aligning other components. If you ever need to move it again, you can simply right-click the component and unground it. And that's how to ground a component in Fusion 360. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Fusion 360 tips and quick design tutorials.